always making me messes and messes. That's it. Long day. Do you know what we're making?
What?
What? That's not the answer.
I don't know what we're making today.
There's a thing that happens that when you have leftovers, in my opinion, my personal opinion, that when you have mashed potatoes leftovers, nobody, at least in my house, is excited to eat them, right? Do you want to eat mashed potato leftovers? Not really. It's like the texture and the taste of the potato changes if you don't like smother it with gravy or like with something else. So what we do is that we repurpose the mashed potatoes into gnocchi, and those gnocchi we eat them with.
It's gnocchi.
No, it's not the same. We're making potato gnocchi. Let's put some flour in here. We're mixing the flour.
I'm gonna read the mixer. Okay.
It's like a little dumplings. Okay. Okay. And flour, honestly, somewhere around 1 to 2 cups. But 1 to 2. We'll try to keep it. Flour, maybe a cup and a half. It all depends on how much mashed potatoes you have.
Be careful with the knives.
So I'm just gonna start adding and playing with it a little bit. What's that? Are you eating sugar?
Yes.
Oh, go get some grated cheese for me.
Okay.
We're gonna grate in some cheese. We're gonna make cheesy gnocchi. We're gonna stretch that dough. I'm gonna roll the dough into little sections and then cut them into little dumplings, little potato dumplings. No, Ame doesn't get to cook, so please come step down real quick. Ame needs to learn to cook too, right?
But I already know.
Ame already knows how to cook.
It's time to mix. If it's too sticky,
Backwards.
so if it's too wet,
Gonna add a little bit more flour.
if it's too sticky,
Just a little bit.
if it's too sticky, add a little bit more flour.
There you go. Form a dough. Yeah. Whatever you do not use long sleeves, wide sleeves while you're cooking gnocchis because they're gonna get full of flour. We're gonna roll the dough,
Can I take this?
the mixture. Yeah, you gotta wash your hands. And we're just gonna roll it.
Excuse me. Does this have eggs?
No, you can eat it. Excuse me, how do you think I'm gonna cook like this? It's almost a mission impossible to cook like this.
Impossible is possible.
You don't want to add too much flour because if you add too much flour, you won't be able to taste the potato. Some people like that because also it makes for a sturdier gnocchi, but I like it soft. Can I help you?
I don't need any help.
Yeah, but so we can
I'm okay.
move to the next stage. Like gentle, gentle. Okay, don't squeeze them. No, you see you're cutting over the other ones.
Oh.
Gentle. So,
I did all this. Well, my mom did most.
this guy is going into the
I'm gonna.
pot with hot boiling water.
Yeah.
Now we're getting ready to prepare to cook our gnocchi. Just a pot with water and salt. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm about to prepare some zucchini that will go with our gnocchi. Okay, we start putting these guys in, and when they float,
That means
we
they're
take
ready.
them out. Yeah, that means they're ready, and we take them out.
What about me?
Okay, starting to
Is it
boil.
fun? Mommy, what
And
about
take them
me?
out. What do you mean? What about you? Oh, you're good up there. Okay, take them out. Look how easy. Such a delicious meal. You can also make them with cassava flour, almond flour. You can play around and experiment what works for you. You see how the butter. Oh, this is actually olive oil. This is really easy. You just cut some fresh herbs, ice cubes. You put some olive oil. Today I'm really proud. I worked through my fears. repurposed mashed potatoes into gnocchi. Vegan gnocchi.